Right, everybody, making this video on how to change the power module on the Samsung 55-inch smart TV. TV does not turn on manually or the remote control. Nothing happens when you press the power button. So just did some research online, and it's pretty common for the power module to fail in the Samsung's television. So I picked one up, or ordered one from Amazon. Here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and unmount the TV and open up the back and see how easy it is to replace this. Alright, we've unmounted the TV, and now it's time to remove the screws. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start with those 5 screws and see if we can get to the power module. Okay, all the screws are off. Actually, there was a couple more here and here, here and here. They were behind the TV mount bracket, so I couldn't see it. So with all the screws off, I can just lift up the access panel, and here's the power module. It looks like there's just a few screws holding this together. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 5. And then just gotta disconnect this cable and this cable, and we should be good to go. So let me just remove those screws and see what we have. Okay, so I removed all the screws. I have unplugged this 2 sets of wires. That is the old power module. Here's the new power module. As you can see, they are identical, so they should work. Again, then it's just a matter of putting this where the old one was, putting the screws back on and connecting those wires, and that should fix it. Let's give that a try. Okay, so TV has been mounted, and the good sign is that I would get the red power dot here. So that's a positive sign. Just turn it on. Just use the remote control. There it goes. Power module. All it was a $48 piece. Saved me from having to buy a new television. What? Good to go.
Everything we